Greetings. Today I am finally once again gonna stream game development, which I haven't done in quite a while actually. I still need to change some stuff on YouTube, so let's do that real quick. Ba-ba-bam. Oh god, no, I'm gonna hear myself now. Yeah, let's avoid that. TV. What can I even do? Can I sign? Wait, what? Sorry, I never set up the fucking YouTube part for game development up yet. I think science and technology, but then fuck it, I'll just leave it on science and technology then. Okay, I think that should be done now. Wait, did I save the correct thing? Yes, I did. Okay. Alright, time to actually get started now. I have a running there, I have a running there. Let's do a big old fucking stretch before we start. Oh yeah, because there was some issue with it just not being pushed over. No, that's not correct. So what needs to be deleted? Camera controls manager. Camera controls manager already defines a wait, what? Camera controls manager. Already oh wait, oh, I think there's just two camera controls manager. There's two. Oh, that's the issue. Alright, let me... As far as I can see, I mean, they have this difference down here, but I think that's just because it's not actually progressing that. I think these are actually just identical. Oh, fuck. Oh, goddamn, dude. Camera controls, man. Hey, Houdini, I am doing pretty good. Did the new Panther update go live yet? I don't think so. There should be a new update out today, which should have a fix for the 5 wands. Because apparently the inputs for the 5.1 never got generated on the Steam VR. So I fixed that. I hope that's the fix at least. But index controllers work for sure, because I have those and I can play every day. Dude, why is... fuck it, I'll just delete this one. It's whatever. Alright. I have no clue where I left off with my task the last time. I don't think I was... yeah. Fair. Did you have a quest 1 or a quest 2? Why did it not generate that? Okay. Hey, why did it revert that change I made to it? I don't like that. I had this... Did I not save that? Oh wait, no, wait, that shouldn't be the case. Oh yeah, then it's pretty fair. I mean... Yeah. Oh yeah, wait, the quest 1 didn't have rechargeable batteries? I don't think I've ever touched the quest 1. I've touched the quest 2, because I have one of those. Why is it use physics raycasting and it's layer masking everything? So what if I'm... It's not doing what I wanted to. I mean, sorta, but I can play like 20 hours on my index before having to recharge. So it's not like forgetting to recharge at once screws you over. You'd have to forget it many times. What if I set it to low? I think I recharge my index controllers like once a week. And that's while I like full-time develop on them. I don't know why the fuck this is not working. I mean, it's working okay on the highest. This was working so much better last week. I mean, it doesn't really finger track. What it does is it just has 3 different pressure plates on the grip, and based on what amount of pressure those pressure plates are getting, it's like, ah, yes, your finger is there. Okay, yeah, this is the, okay, so I do need to make sure that you can't do it on the side. Okay, I mean, this works fine. It doesn't work as good as I would like it to. It's doing a lot of... I wanted to just follow the movement path directly, but I mean, this works fine for what I needed to do now. Well, I mean, maybe that's the case, but I don't think it does actual full-on finger tracking, because you can just like, if you put one finger, if I put my ring finger on the top of the pad, it just thinks, it's like, oh yeah, this is the top finger. It's not like it's some kind of glove. I mean, it works really well the way they do it, like, regardless of how they do it. Do I need to... there is still a infrared in there that detects when your finger is near, though. All right, good luck, dude. Have a good day. Regional? I'm just trying to see what gives me the highest quality, because I mean, now it's like, oh yeah, you want to go? No, I don't. It's like, I don't understand why it's doing this. Why sometimes it's like, ah, yes, I want to give you that extra triangle. Again, I shouldn't be worrying about this, but it's just very frustrating. Like, again, like, why is it doing this? Is it like trying to shorten the way it's showcasing it? Because I don't want it to do that. I mean, this is deprecated. Yeah. Node connection? No, that's just doing the same as interpolating. Can I throw on detailed gizmos? Yeah, so now it's just following the gizmos exactly, but again, like, I don't, because if I double click now, it's not taking that sharp corner, and I just want it to do exactly the movement that I'm giving it. Okay, fuck it. I shouldn't spend this much time on it. It's not important. Or, like, I mean, it is for the eventual game feel of it, but it's not important for now. Phrase it in that way. Right. Dude, I have no clue what I was working on. Besides that, I think the next step for this is why it's so much better to have everything written down, which we just haven't had the time to do yet. I guess I want to go for A/B calculation, custom, or can I calculate the distance? Is that a thing I can easily do? Oh. Why are you giving me errors? Okay, good. Can you move? Yeah, thank you. Appreciate it. Get total length. That sounds like something I need. Total length of the calculator, total length of the path vector path. Oh wait, I just realized I don't have my Visual Studio signed up. Yes. Why are you not showing? Is it this one? Okay, just this one. Okay. Alright, okay, good. Alright, so fuck. Path. Fuck, no. Home. No. Wait, where was the function that I just saw? Get total length. Okay, every time since it will calculate every time. Nice. Total length of path, that's vector path. If path effect is null, positive infinity is returned. Okay. Okay, so this should theoretically give me the distance. Let's try it. How do I just set a empty game object to the point with a, let's try it this way, okay? 3D game object text. Is there something built in that I can make it look at the player at all times? Extra settings, graphic mode should be enabled when using a currency. Okay, nope. Okay, it's just whatever. Okay. Oh wait, I should make hotkeys to switch between Visual Studio and thing. But to be fair, I do know that I would just still forget it. Okay, this is the one I need. Let me help. Wait, what? Oh, okay, sorry. I was really confused on where the fuck everything went. Great. And now it needs to import again. Oh, it doesn't show when it's importing. Boo! I want it to show when it's importing. It's so much fun looking at stuff importing, right? I think that's very, very fun. Where even is my... I don't even remember where my camera is. Oh, here it is. Great. And then I want my Visualize Manager to have the... Oh, let me... No, that's gonna be a zero. Oh god, dude, I fucking choke every time I stream. Like, even when nobody is watching, because I know no one is watching now, I still choke so hard on typing literally fucking everything. All right. Yep. Oh yeah, I need the DM Pro. DM Pro. Wait, what? Text? What? Unity engine, not TM Pro? What, why am I not allowed to put in TM Pro? Huh? Did they remove that package? Text. Am I dumb? Oh, hold on. Did I feel so smooth, brain? Text Mesh Pro Unity. That's TM Pro, right? Text Mesh Pro Unity manual. Conda Unity Text Mesh Pro. No, I just need to usually use fill in Text Mesh Pro. Why the fuck is it not? Dude, I feel like I'm missing something. Dude, my smooth brain is showcasing so hard. Yeah, like, I mean, this is what they have in the example scripts. Why is it not recognizing Text Mesh Pro? I literally have Text Mesh Pro right here. The package is installed. But it's like, nah fam, we ain't using Text Mesh Pro in here. Text Mesh Pro. Okay, stop. So why does it not realize that I'm using Text Mesh Pro? Oh my god, dude. I put it there for a reason. Yeah. Yeah, see, now it fucking works. Wait, no, never mind. Text Mesh. DM, no, dude. Why the fuck are you not letting me use DM Pro? Oh, because he puts it, because it got put in outside of game content, it automatically puts it in a different project folder. So you can, so it's like, sorry, I don't see you. Please kindly fuck off. Alright, so after, okay, so I mean, I don't think you can see, no, you can't see in stream, but it's re-importing now. After the re-import, it hopefully should work, because I think it puts it in the same project now. Oh big yawn, dude. Ugh. Yeah, now it works. Okay, so that was the issue. No, wait. Does it work? Is it just because it's in the plugin folder? What happens if I take it out of the plugin folder? Plugin. Where is Text Mesh Pro? Text Mesh Pro. Reload. Come on, baby. Help me out here. It's still not recognizing TM Pro. I guess. Oh, no, not into Text Mesh Pro. Into plugins. Wait, is it? No. It keeps boozling me by by not showing it that it doesn't work. I mean, the issue is 100% that it's not in the same project. I know that that's the issue, but usually that you can easily solve that by just dragging it into a different project, which it's not doing right now. Wait, is it? Does that solve it? I think so. Yeah. Great, finally. If I could type, if I could fucking type, homie, that would help even more. Text Mesh Pro. Now let me press enter. Enter. Hello. Okay, thank you. That wasn't enter, but why is my backspace not? My backspace is not working. Text. Oh wait, no, please. Okay, so let me close my Visual Studio. Alright, does my backspace work now? Yay! I can use backspace again. The technology, it's so advanced, you don't even know. Fuck, what's the plan? Right, so my visual manager works now. So let me UI this both goes in here. Yep, and then the text mesh row. Yep, text mesh row. Oh no, I just got it text mesh. Yeah, I'm just going to equals path dot get long path. Oh wait, my Visual Studio is not registering anymore because I restarted it. Well, it doesn't want to be seen right now apparently, so I guess I'll just put it in Unity real quick. Dot to string. Now you can just watch me sit in Unity while I'm typing. Text mesh dot text. Alright. Text transform. UI transform dot position equals underscore end position. All right, let's see if it feels like working again. No, you don't want to work. All right, Owie, up to you. Who am I to ask you to work, am I right? It's not like I fucking own you. I keep trying to talk, and then I keep losing track of like what I'm thinking. That might have to do with my small brain. But you know, that's okay. Everyone has a small brain in something. Right, my Visual Studio still doesn't wanna work. So let's see if this works. Or maybe I should change it from white, because I don't think I'll be able to see white very well. Let's make it bright fucking red. It's sort of working. I think it's, yeah, I think it needs to move a little bit towards the camera. Oh, and it needs to be, that's a 180 degree, right? Oh yeah, I can do that. Rotation plus rotationes after toss. Sorry, what? Oh. So why is this not working? I'm not allowed to do a plus with a quaternion and a quaternion. Great. I see. Vector 3 gives me that rotation offset. And then this should work. Good. All right, let's see if that actually did work like I intended it to. You know, and I can pretty much guarantee that the answer is gonna be no. No, it's not gonna work the way I intended it to. And that's okay, you know? It doesn't always need to go the way you want it. Although I would very much love if it would go the way I wanted in development. All right. All right, it's okay. So first things first. Let me increase the scale. So let's put that to no. Okay. Yeah. Now you can see it a little bit better. All right. Now rotate. Let me do a 180 on the rotation. That's not what I needed. 180 on this rotation. That's also not what I needed. 180 on this rotation. That's yeah. I can't. I mean, it's clearly doing something. I think. Okay, you know what we're gonna, I think it's Ctrl Shift P. Yeah, it is. Okay. Okay, so the y-axis moves in that direction. It's not exactly what I need. Actually, is that what I, so I need to move it, I need to move it 180 degrees. Alright, so it's okay, so hold on. Okay, so this is the thing it is on now. Okay, let me turn the fucking gizmos off. And I just need to do this. Can I rotate you 180 degrees? Rotate this 180 degrees. Great! That got me absolutely nowhere. I mean, okay, so I do think this needs to make a 180. Right, and now it just needs to be flipped. Okay, so this also needs to be 180 then. Good, now it works. Okay, so I just need two 180s on the X and the Y. Oh, fuck, I didn't mean alright, well, whatever. 180 there and 180 there. Okay, so that should move it correctly now. Okay, so I'm missing, so I feel like it's not rotating towards the camera as much anymore. Why is it not doing that? Because I am a complete idiot, that's why. New rotation equals new plus plus equals quaternion.ular rotation of setos, because I was adding it to where it should look instead of instead of the rotation, which admittedly is pretty small brain. Okay, buffer equals quaternion.euler rotation of sector. Let's go. Alright, let's see if my Visual Studio is working again to display on stream. No, that's Unity. Great, enjoy the W. Oh, yeah, there you go. Now we can head straight back to Visual Studio Focus. I still don't think you can actually see, but you know, who needs to see code anyways? Dot x. Is this gonna work? I don't know if this is gonna work, but you know, only one way to find out. Fuck, it's W, right? Yep. Ah, great. Well, let's see if this monstrosity of a conversion is gonna work. I just wanna fix this ASAP, and I can make it look better another day. Okay, good. That's not what I wanted it to do at all. So, as expected, that didn't work. Okay. Great. Solid. Oh, no, I know how I want to do this. Well, I really did this a stupid way. Transform dot euler plus equals. Oh, wait, does this work? Wow. No, I'm actually surprised. Oh fuck, I was permitted to do that. All right, let's see. No path got made. Okay, I think it works. I just need to put in a little offset to make it go towards the camera a little bit more. Yeah, so let's do that real quick. That's just unnecessary public properties. No, see, I completely forgot how to do this. I need to calculate the direction between the two objects. Oh, dude, I'm seriously an idiot because I literally did that right here. I'm such a smooth brain, dude. Alright. Okay. Right, now I have the direction. So now I want the transform dot position plus equals the direction, oh no, just to test it out, let's do times 10. I know that's gonna put it in a whole new world, but that doesn't matter. That doesn't matter. If you would fucking import already. Okay, so combat. Okay, that didn't do shit. I think that actually, wait, did that do it a different way? Oh, also, might be useful if I actually enable the setting if I want to know that it works. But no, no one is smart enough to do that like before they test, right? Yeah, I think that's actually putting it the wrong way. Okay, how am I gonna move it towards the player? Use the offset. I sound echoish. Wait, hold on. It's using the correct mic. Does it still sound echoish? Cool, sick. Easy fixes. What the fuck? I'm trying to like get a UI offset towards the player or towards the camera. But I swear, dude, while I'm streaming, my brain is so smooth because I continuously try to talk and then I just forget what my thought process was. Wait, hold on, I can just show you what I'm trying to do. Oh. So like, let me. Wait, okay. Yeah. So you can see it's like half in the wall. What I'm trying to do is that it actually like goes a little bit further towards the camera so that it doesn't get stuck in objects. And that sounds really easy to me. Like, I feel like that shouldn't be a hard thing, but my mind is just like, no, you can't do that right now. Well, hello there, Brandon. Now you can also watch me be a smooth brain while trying to program. Because apparently while I stream, I just forget everything. The first thing I try to do is just get its direction and then multiply its direction. Well, yeah, I mean, I am a bad programmer, to be fair. Let's try this real quick. See what that nets us. Oh. I like that. It sometimes Won't that have a really weird effect to work with a rigid body on the UI? Oh yeah, I forgot you're not a programmer. We're totally not in the same class or anything. With a rigid body could work. But I feel like just hard coding it, offsetting to go towards the camera a little bit should be easier. Uh, is what a line render? Hold on. If you mean the ugly as fuck purple line, yeah, that's a line render. It's to show you what path you're gonna do, but I haven't. Well, no, okay, so can you even wait? Oh, okay, wait, hold on. Let me first of all turn this off. So here you can see on the left screen, you can see the little red text. I need that to go a little bit more towards the camera. So that, I mean, again, because right now, like if I have it, if I have my mouse on the ground, half the text is on the thing. All right, let me see how it looks if I just. Because wait, dude, why did I just think of this? I literally know that it's always going to be facing the parent, right, or the camera. So I can just make it go a little bit more towards its forward. I can just offset it towards the forward. If I don't forget how I click on UI. Damn it. Stop. Don't do that. Okay. Got that. Okay, so the forward is the blue arrow, if I recall. But that still wouldn't solve the problem, right? Because the problem isn't the distance. I just need to make it go a little bit toward, a little bit backward. So that should be transform the position. Because I'm not having trouble knowing the distance, because I can just literally do a distance check, right? I can literally type in vector3 dot distance, camera dot transform dot camera dot position transform dot position. Then I have the distance. Like that's not a problem. Transform and forward time -1. Times 10. Let's try times 10 for a second. This should work. Oh wait, I can't. Of course, cannot do that while I'm running in play mode. Okay, so let's see. Oh, it didn't generate a path again. Cool. Okay. Okay, so it's doing what I wanted to. Yeah, but okay, so the thing that's happening, because that's exactly what I'm doing right now. Right now, I'm exactly putting it where it's hitting the object, which is why it's still half going through the wall. Like I'm trying to get it to offset. I also know why that is happening, by the way, because it's these two things fighting for the position. Because I'm also setting the final. Wait, what? What is visual? No, fuck that. Because I'm also setting it here. The transform dot position. Yeah, but the problem is that it can't be a hard offset because it's always going to be in a different angle related to the camera because you can move the camera around. So it needs to be an offset related relative to the camera, which is why I have this solution. I just need to fix that these two things aren't fighting to position the thing at the same time. Yeah, that would have probably been the best option, but that would have also been more time consuming. All right. Give me look at player. Oh god, docking. Yeah, I am using Text Mesh Pro. Um, oh wait, shit. Oh, wait. Okay. Do Tyrannics.Odin inspector rename editor mode. I mean, I already have it fixed now. Public vector 3 boss. This is final boss. Final boss transform that position equals final boss. Then here I say dot final boss equals end position. This is look at player. Text. Okay, so this should work now. Let me maximize on play for the maximum amount of immersion possible. Let me confirm this to be done. Okay. Okay, yeah, solid, solid. Good. Yes, 1 second. Hold on, let me revert this shit then. If that's a better solution. Wait, fuck, did I just revert too much? I think I did. No, I didn't. Okay. Okay. Am I reverting too much? Yes, I am. Okay. Yep. Okay, this should work. Alright, that's back to normal. Nope. So wait, okay, wait, actually, if I need to move it, then this can all go. Because if it's layers, then I should be able to do it through this. Wait, is it set to smite? It shouldn't be set to smite. No, it's set to science and technology. Or am I missing on a really obvious joke because I'm dumb? I have been bamboozled successfully, dude. Dude, Smite is pretty pog right now, okay? Hell yeah, dude. I streamed Season 8 as well. Pretty much every time I play a Season 8 match, I stream it. Unless it's like with friends, with real life friends. Yeah, that was a very, very long time ago. I pretty much quit Smite as well. I only came back for Season 8 because I was like, why not try it again? I really wanted to try and stream Smite a lot in Season 8, but I just got bored of the game so quickly again. It's such a shame. If you tell me your old username, I probably do remember you. My username has been the same since like 2012. Yeah, I remember you. I think the only person I still talk to from that group is Cassie. And all the others I haven't talked to in forever. Yeah. I think I talked to Julia in like 2019. And that's the last, that's the person I talked to last besides Cassie. Who did? My my shitty ass Dutch accent. Mark, you told me to. Oh, recharge headset. 1 second. Mark, you told me to go to my Visual Studio, and I have. I'm assuming that you're talking about Cassie. I was very much aware of that. I think I'm pretty sure I even asked her the date back then, and then she said no. And then I was like, damn, that sucks. Good times. I mean, I wasn't hurt or anything. It was just like, no, we're not gonna talk about my specific region because that's bad. But Mark, you need to tell me how I can make it so that it. Oh wait, geometry sorting, is this it? No, no, that's not it. Stop doing that. I fucking hate that it sometimes doesn't generate a text automatically. Oh, wait, what? Why is it? Oh, because I didn't assign the new UI. Of course, you big dum-dum. There you go. I think I got it again for the 50th time. So faced or well, finesse god now. How have you been in the last 6 years? I've been pretty good as well. I mean, I do game development, which I'm pretty sure I already told everyone that's exactly what I wanted to do back then. So, yeah. My life went pretty much exactly how I expected it to. So why is it not rendering this on top? What do you do now then? Army? Damn. Wait, were you American or Canadian? I don't remember. Yeah, I thought so. I was like, I'm pretty sure that. Yeah, yeah. I mean, can't you just always leave the army whenever you want to, or is that just a misinterpretation on my end? Yeah, I mean that's fair. That's fair. Are you like actually shipped out? Shipped out. Such a weird way to say it. Do you like actually go to places, or are you just stationed at a home base? Because a lot of people in the military here are just stationed in the Netherlands themselves. Tags and layers. Damn, it's insane it can take so long though. 5 year? Wait, so then you went to the military basically when that group split apart. Well, like half a year or a year after. Wait, what? Shader of the team protects the distance field overlay. Dude, that was still when we used Skype. Imagine. Text Mesh Pro distance field overlay. So weird to think about that. There's very few people I still talk to that I talked to at that time. I think it's like Brandubi, which is Brandon, which was in here like a second ago. And Cassie. That's literally everyone I still talk to from that time. Like including from my in real I mean excluding my family, but including all of the friends I had in real life at that time. Brandon isn't from the same friend group. That was another streamer. But like that's literally the end. That's no. I haven't talked to Tact since then either. Supa did kind of blow up though. I mean, he's like on a solid like 50 viewers average usually. Yeah, I think I really don't enjoy watching Super anymore. Like in the last 3 or 4 years, I just find his stream very boring. But I'm happy for him that he had success. I just don't enjoy watching it anymore. What was I doing? Oh yeah, I remember now. So this should work. Yeah, that works. Thank you, Mark. You're my savior. Saved me a lot of time. Yeah, yeah, exactly. I don't even know why everyone. Oh god, my hair. What is my hair doing? I don't even know why everyone else left. Honestly, I think the Skype. I think the Skype group just fell apart. No one really talked anymore, and that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all that happened. Uh, yeah, I mean, that's how it used to be then. Fuck, what was Boris' full name? I don't remember. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, she was the Puerto Rican one, right? I think. Yeah. Good times, dude. I really liked Waldo, but my god, he was very creepy. I still find him very funny, but he was very creepy. Let's be real about that. Oh hell yeah. I don't yeah, I don't even recall what happened. I think it was just people forming more their own groups. I'm pretty sure I found a more different friend group as well. I don't remember the one guy saying he was a doctor. Uh, I remember Sarli getting back with her ex-boyfriend because basically they had children. I don't remember Wolfie anymore either. I still have Starly on Snapchat, so sometimes I get Snapchats of her with her children. It's very funny. Wait, what was I doing? Oh yeah, yeah, I was shorting the thing. Okay. I feel like everyone thought everyone liked everyone. I think that was the vibe there. And I was just there being a little nerd all the time, just like I am now. Oh yeah, dude. I think during that time I my biggest peak was like 120 viewers because I got raided. I think I got raided by Trickstank. No problem. Let's see how. Yeah, in I'm probably gonna be streaming game dev for another hour and 40 minutes, and then I'm gonna hop on to do either Apex or TFT with a friend. With Brandon, actually. Dude, I love Apex. I really like streaming Apex, but I've really noticed that it's so impossible. I think the only thing I ever get any viewers with is game development streams. I think game development streams are legitimately the only thing I average above 3 viewers with. Even when I suck at it. Yeah, it's definitely way too crowded. But I mean, that's the case with most games, unless you get like very, very lucky and you get like a game early or something, then you're pretty much screwed. Like, the discoverability as a new streamer is so small unless you have like a friend that's a bigger streamer. Hmm. I don't know. I still only watch small streamers basically. Yeah, and as someone that doesn't really hang out with a lot of people at stream, that's very hard. But again, like my game development streams get comparatively to what I get while streaming other stuff, pretty high views, which is pretty cool. It's very, very nice. Or as the Twitch community would say, that's very PogChamp. So wait, what type of role do you have in the army now then? Are you like, or are you like actual infantry, or do you have like, or engineer or that kind of shit? Well, that's very kind of you. I think I try to stream at least 4 times a week. Communications. What do I imagine with communications? Because in my mind, communications it's literally only like, you know, when you're playing Arma and then there's this one guy that's just taking the command. That's what I'm imagining when I hear someone does communications in the army. That shows my army knowledge, by the way. Now I'm spending more time talking than actually doing shit. Hell yeah, I mean, Mark is an avid, he's an avid Arma player. Yeah, that doesn't sound very interesting to do for a long time for per day. My I do have a friend, a mutual friend from me and Mark that has an internship with the Dutch military for game development. Ah, is that your job? Well, at least you're sitting in safety then. uh, yeah, and there would also be more, like, I mean, if you want to do IT later in a different career path, then you also have something on your portfolio, or well, CV rather. Um, I mean, are there people that actually enjoy doing that job? Because I get like, I mean, it really does sound just like a boring job. Because all you do is sit and listen. That's how the military gets people. So that's yeah. I mean, like if you like military is like a thing that in my mind is something you only really do if you don't know what you want to do. Otherwise, I don't see any reason I would want to join the military. I just want to sit in my room and make games all day. Wouldn't I mean, okay, probably not against the military, but it definitely sounds like if you would be, if that would happen to in a like a regular company, it definitely sounds like something you could take legal action for. But I mean, again, against the military, probably not. Like, I mean, on the one hand, that's kind of understandable that it takes so long. Uh, because I mean, of course, if a lot of people want to do that, that kind of shit. But to lie about it when recruiting somebody where it's very hard to get out of and is basically a life decision, that kind of does suck. That's fucking horrible. Okay, that's very nice. That is very nice. I mean, that's very rapid development actually in like salary. I think that's faster than you would get at a regular company. But 650 bi-weekly is not a lot, especially for doing something like the military. Hello, Emerson. Welcome to my fantastic big brain game development stream while talking about Canadian military stuff. Wait, you have to pay for your own food in the military? Thank you. Damn, that's so weird. Or at least the Canadian military is not what I imagine it to be at all. Right now, I am working on a movement system and displaying the cost of movement relative to the distance your character is supposed to travel when you give the command to it to move. Yeah, but I mean, if you're in a military position, that should be like a basic requirement in my opinion. If you like even have the sliver of chance of like risking your life, then you definitely deserve a higher pay than you would in a regular company. Path length, the path length is right here. I asked to get total path length. So wait, hold on. Let me finish this up and then I can show it. Yeah, but that's just a weird thing because I think, I mean, I'm not sure. I mean, I can ask my friend, but I think here you just get food for free if you live on the base. Current turn, movement per action ability point. Yeah, you should ask Matthijs. I'm very curious now. I feel like 300 a month is pretty low for that. I mean, the cost of living is also different, of course, but yeah, that's what I expected. This is a float. This is a float. Oh, that is pretty nice. That's like how much is that extra a year? 3.6k. Yeah, on a yearly basis, that's pretty okay. If you get it the entire year, even when you're not a field unit anymore. Those work times aren't the worst either. That's only like, no, that's just a regular work day. Do you get paid over hours if you make more hours? No, because everyone is gonna be talking Dutch, and I'm not gonna stream in Dutch. Okay, that is kind of whack that you don't get paid over hours. This is a float. This is a float. Fine, I'll make this a float as well. I will explain it in literally a minute. Yeah, exactly. That's the point, right? You're supposed to get paid for your extra labor. Cost. No. Unit. This should work. Now I need to find him. Where is he? Okay. That's pretty nice. Do you like, I mean, do you like get actual vacation? Or... Hello, Emerson. It is time to explain. I actually should probably, just for the explanation, I will actually make this text way larger. Because it's, for me it looks small on stream, probably bigger for you guys. Yeah, okay. Okay. No, I think my artists are using... oh, let me make the width tiny bit smaller. I think my artists are using Maya and ZBrush and Substance Painter. So if you see here, the amount of meters that it is where the path length was for. The action points is how many action points it costs to move there. Yeah, okay, let me see if I can upgrade my... Can I update my bitrate? Is the stream pixelated for other people or only for Mark? Because if it's only for Mark, then he can fuck off. Okay, that's good enough. I'm willing to accept that. But yeah, so the action points you get to assign. Let me. Can you? Oh, okay, of course I'm in front of the. I'll hide myself. Yeah. Okay. So the player AI has a value here with how many action points you have, how many meters they can move. Yeah, if I'm explaining something code-wise, then I switch to my Visual Studio view. Can you read the Unity thing here? Can you read this? I do, see you in a bit. Yeah, so for example, this character, which is not the one whose turn it currently is, let me move to that one. That is this one. This guy has 2 meters per action point and has 5 action points, which means that he can move a total of 10 meters, right? If I now set... Wait, is it still going? Yeah, okay. So if I now set this to move 5 meters per action point, then you can see that it goes up when it hits another meter. So here, so when it hits the 10 meters, it starts costing 2 action points. The first action point of movement is free. So until 5 meters, you're free if you have 5 meters per action point. And that's what I'm gonna do next. But when you choose to go somewhere, it is gonna take the action points off, and then you have less to use on your abilities, for example. I had this all done in the other system, which was grid-based, but I had to change that because we were like, actually, we don't want to do grid-based anymore, so then I had to redo it all. Oh wait, I hit myself. I stuck my thumb up. Yep. Wait, hold on. I can show that as well. So we have this, we have a plugin to do the A-star path generation for us. It basically shoots a bunch of raycasts out, and then it makes areas where it can walk, basically. And the path visualization is basically, if you guys go here, the seeker is also a type of AI. Literally what the path visualization is, it's just an AI with a movement speed of 0, and I just basically take the path that it's gonna walk, and the path gets automatically set to where the mouse is. And that path I visualize, which you can see here in the line render. The things I still need to do is that you can't do it on walls, which is also just a very easy thing to do. It's just, I can choose to do that in two ways, and which is either number one, layering, so you can't so basically all walls have a different layer where the mouse doesn't go on, or I make it look for the closest valid position on the path, which is probably the path we're gonna go with, because having to layer every single wall separately. Yes and no, because the line does separate a little bit from the actual walking distance, so I do take the actual walking distance. I could, but that would still, because I would still want that if a player has their mouse on here, where I have it now, actually I can just go max on and play. If a player has their mouse on here, I still want it to go on the floor, because that's just more player friendly. Yes, it is Raid Shadow Legends 2. Now, I don't know if you've ever played Divinity Original Sin 2, or 1 for that matter. But basically the team I'm working on this with, we all really like roguelike, and we all love CRPGs. So the goal we are going for, this project is so insanely large scale. Oh wait, my camera's still off. This project is insanely large scale, and there's like we did no scope management at all. We basically sat down and we were like, all right, we're just gonna think of something that we think is really fucking cool, that we really want to work on, and that we have a lot of passion for, and we will see how we get there. Is that a good way to run a company? No, it's absolutely not. It's not a good decision. But because we are still students, we don't need separate funding, because all our funding comes from the government because we go to school. Also, this is basically, you could call it a passion project, because we work on this during our free time, which would sort of classify it as a passion project, but we do intend to release it commercially. I think that has to do with the limiter. I think, do I still talk echoey if I talk more softly? But yeah, this project is basically not, okay. Then I'll talk a little bit softer. Then I think it's the limiter. Yeah, I think this project is definitely something that is meant for long term. It is not realistic to finish this in the next 1 or 2 years. Thank you, Emerson. Have a good day. It is not realistic to finish in the next 1 or 2 years. Yeah, no, that's completely fine, dude. Basically what's happening now is that all of us are either gonna go to a university after this or working full time while still working on this project. For me, for example, right now I'm in the last year of college, just like Emerson and Mark. They're in my class. And then I now plan on working 2 days a week on Wolfhook Interactive, which is my full-time job right now. I work there as a lead developer. Then 3 days in a week I have school. And then after my work and school hours, I try to spend 2 to 3 hours a day on game development. Minimum of 8 hours a week. Usually I go over those 8 hours a week. But that's basically how we're planning on doing this until we have actual funding and we are able to finance ourselves properly, so we don't have to either go to school or work a different job. That is of course the ideal plan, but we will see. Again, like this is such a big project, and is it realistic that we are gonna succeed? I think if we can maintain our passion, it is certainly realistic. If we keep working together, I do think it's realistic. I legit think Cassie hasn't, because the thing she liked doing was writing for them. Our current deadline is have a complete combat prototype next month. So roughly like the first or second week of April? Oh, March? Dude, I don't know my months. And then after that, our goal is basically to have a vertical slice of the game with the first area done in the summer vacation, and then we hope to go to publishers in the summer vacation, get some cash dollar, so we can get a office, hire people that we still need, and then we know if we have to work or go to school after summer vacation, or if we can dedicate full time to this. But no, I'm not collabing with Cassie, because again, I think Cassie only did writing. And I think she hasn't written in a very long time. I also know that she's going through a lot of stuff right now, so yeah. But yeah, I mean, yeah. So those are my deadlines. They're very loose. I think we're actually gonna have a scrum meeting Monday. Monday we're gonna have a scrum meeting, set up a little bit more smaller deadlines, like what mechanics need to be finished when. I think everyone in the team already knows what they need to do, but having those set deadlines, I mean, they're still soft deadlines, but that still helps motivate you a little bit more. I think I just broke. Yeah. I am gonna make a cup of tea because I do notice that my mouth is getting very, very dry. So I will be back in like, I don't know, 2 minutes. Right, goodbye face, or well, finesse. I keep calling you from your past name. But good day, and have a good day at work. Alrighty, I'm back. Alright, I think I should just finish up this and make sure that it takes off the... What was I about to say? Yeah, that it takes away the AP. I think I'm gonna do the dirty and do it all in my visualizer right now. Actually, do I want to do that all in my visualizer? No, I don't. I don't. I do want to do it different though. I do want to set... So it's... Yo, Pyro, how are you, my man? I haven't seen you in Brandon's stream for a long time, dude. Whoa, alright, I see how it is, homie. I see how it is. Okay, let me clean this up before I actually continue, because I do want to keep it a little bit less messy. This is supposed to be here. Okay. I did your demo. Well, you, Byron, I will give you a demo when it's ready. Expect it in like a year. That's probably when we have like a pretty okay demo ready. $40 years is probably a more realistic assessment, if I'm honest. Right now, I am working on the. Okay, I'll show up what I'll show real quick what I did for the rest of the day. Let me move back to Unity. So what I literally just finished. Yeah, trash is also very accurate. And so what I just finished is the displaying of the distance that the player is walking, combined with the action point cost that it takes to move to that position. So, have you heard of Divinity? Or Divinity Original Sin, Pyro? Because that's kind of what we are basing our movement on, or like a more classic CRPG. Okay. Yeah, so we're working with a action point system. Here you can see the beautiful current AP on the left top. Totally very well given form. So basically, if a person has 5 AP, every character has a different... every person has the same amount of AP, which we might still change later in design. Yeah, dude, I am peak of artists. I am the best artist that there is, and there's no argument about that. So for example, this character whose turn it currently is has a movement per action point 2, which means that they can walk 2 meters per action point. So if the character walks, and the first point of movement is free. So if the character wants to walk 4.1 meters, he has to pay 2 action points. If he wants to walk 3.9 meters, he only pays 1 action point. And that ranges anywhere from 2 to 4 meters. So anywhere from 0 to 2, he walks 0. Anywhere from 2 to 4, he walks 1. Anywhere from 4 to 6, he costs 3. And that basically changes depending on the stat for each character. And that's what I just finished. What I'm doing now is making sure that the action points get removed from the character when they make their movement. But before I do that, I am quickly finishing or cleaning this up a little bit so it's not as hastily made, because I basically just tried to finish this as quickly as possible. So it's kind of messy. Wait, let me move back to Visual Studio Focus. Well, my friend, of course it goes around them. System that okay, let me go back to Unity Focus so I can show it. The system that I do see here, if I move here, I still need to refine it, so don't worry about it. But the system I do still need to work on is that when I have the mouse on the wall, for example, instead of it trying to find a path to the wall, because it obviously cannot do that, which is also why it's bugging so badly. The system I'm gonna adapt to this is that it looks for the closest available path towards the point. So for example, if I have my mouse here, I wanted to actually target this down here. So that, I mean, again, you just can't target a wall, because that doesn't make any sense. That's also not very player friendly. Public, oh, wait. Oh, fuck. No, stop. Stop. Public. Nope, wait, what are you doing? Okay. Underscore. So what what I'm doing right now, oh fuck, stretching is hard. What I'm doing right now is making sure that I don't actually have to do the calculations multiple times. So I'm just gonna send the cost of the path. Actually, I might make a different script for this in its entirety. because I don't think turn manager needs to include this. So I'm gonna actually drag this to, do I already have a movement manager? I don't think so. That's I do have not planning on keeping this one. Ah, fuck it, I'll just. No, I'm already gonna save myself this trouble before I fuck it up more. And I'm actually just gonna movement manager. Wait, how did you? If you didn't follow, then how did you even see I was streaming? But thank you for the follow still. No, I don't want to become Twitch famous. Fuck you, bot. Hold on. Fuck. Oh yeah, Twitch friends is a thing. I don't even remember that being a thing. Do people actually use Twitch friends? That's such a it's such a weird thing. Well, I appreciate you stopping by, Face. Yeah, but Brandon, we're also friends outside of Twitch. Actually, are we Discord friends? I don't think we are Discord friends. Wait, hold on, let me check. Oh yeah, we are Discord friends. Oh yeah, dude. Oh my god, I remember when Google forced you to use Google Plus. God fucking damn. Ooh, no one uses Google Plus either. uh I know you are. I know you are, Face. I'm not. I never go on Snap. What it like? Oh. Yeah, but like, I never go on. I don't go on my phone a lot. I think the only thing I go on my phone on is to read manga because I'm a nerd. Wait. Apparently, I forgot my teaspoon, but I'm too lazy to walk out. So, Brandon, I also read doujins. Don't worry about it. I also read manga porn. I'm willing to admit that. Your BB, your baby, or your boss. there's different ways to interpret BB. I do not think I could be with someone that doesn't support me and my hobbies. I'm like, bitch. Bro, that's so toxic. Yeah, that for me, that would just be an instant dump, if I'm honest. I would be like, alright, see you later, homie. Have a good one. But that's just me. Yeah, yeah, that does sound like an adoption. You know, you have a trash can, just it's as easy as it's not that hard. Yeah, I also was confused. I also thought he meant baby as in like girlfriend or boyfriend. That reminds me of that one. I remember it went viral with that one guy that was having an interview and then his children walked in. And then the mom ran in and grabbed the children. I remember that one. Oh yeah, I think you misspelled pain. Oh wait. I mean, does your computer at least start quickly, or is it like an older PC? Because if it's older, I mean, all you gotta do is have an SSD where you have the Windows on. That's pretty quick. Easy time, dude. You'll be back in time for the Baron steal. Don't worry about it. Uh, do I do the calculation? I remember that meme, but I can't visualize it in my head. I mean, I kind of expect you to die if you're in the middle of stealing Baron. Uh, okay. Yeah, again, I remember it, but I can't. I remember the meme existing, but I can't remember any of the actual memes themselves. Why? That's not supposed to be. Dude, sometimes I feel so small brain. Uh, uh, turn used free movement. All right, link it, dude. Link it in chat. I think you can link stuff in chat. Just screenshot it. I have 7 viewers.
I don't get it. I'm too small brain. My brain is like a soccer ball. It's very smooth. Damn, I'm forgetting to talk again. Okay, so what I'm doing right now, by the way, is making sure that also for the display, free movement costs get consumed, which is just a simple turn of a bull. Because I mean, said it earlier, but basically the player gets 1 action point worth of free movement every turn. To at least make small adjustments to where they're going. Oh. I still don't get the entire like putting fucking VR already on your PC. It's so. I mean, it's I know it's a different topic, but it makes no sense. If you have a fucking okay graphics card, it's VR ready. Like you can run VR on a 1070. We will probably end up making a dev mode character because we already have a dev. Actually, do we have already? I think we have a dev mode. Wait, hold on. Let me see. I think we have a dev mode. I don't know if I implemented it yet. Yeah, we have a dev mode. I don't think the dev mode does anything yet, though. Oh, you can't see. Wait. Window capture. Screen. Where's the bean screen? I don't think we want to get sued. I don't think we have the budget for that. No, I'm not allowed to show my bean screen. Wait, hold on. I can just share screen, right? Display capture. Yeah. Now I can show it. Look, right there. It's dev mode. Ooh, yeah! I can cheat with it. That's it. That's all it does. Actually, I don't think it does anything. I don't think we have any dev mode functionality in yet. But we do have a dev mode. Having like a Reaper ultimate ability would be pretty cool. No, like all good indie companies, we are eventually gonna make a battle royale version of the game. Turn-based as well. So like you have 100 players, and then every time you need to wait for the other person to finish their turn for you to be able to go. That sounds like very fun. Yeah, dude. Turn-based battle royale CRPG. The duration of a Civ match. Oh god, I can already imagine it. Yeah, Brandon, I know you like buying battle passes, so I know we will make enough money just from you buying our battle pass. I completely forgot what I was doing. I just need to float graph length, float movement cost, movement cost, and grade path length equals length. Oh wait, hold on, I fucked up. There you go. Wait, hold on. There you go. It didn't actually change. Alright, see you, dude. Have a good work time for the second time, please. Okay, now I should be able to go movement manager dot instance dot set visualization values path length is current path length and string. Oh no, I don't want to put this string. And then this is movement cost. See ya again, dude. Okay, so let's test this out. Let's see if these values are actually okay. Yeah, so it is displaying this. Okay, and now if I go to bot and I see I already used where is it? Am I blind? Oh yeah, used free movement. Now if I go to the movement manager, yep, okay. Yeah, so that works correctly. Cool. Now the question is, do I want to keep going now? Or do I want to... Do I want to play games or do I want to keep streaming game development? That's the real question. I think I should do another 40 minutes of game development. Actually 40 minutes, let me see. I'm gonna do another 20 minutes. What do I want to do in those 20 minutes? I think I know what I'm gonna do. Where is the thing I'm looking for? Start only on double click, so now it should do that on single click. Oh no, now it's just okay. Give me a reference, homie. Show it to me. No, no reference allowed. All right, cool. Update. See, they turn. But this only happens if the double click is off. Okay, I think. I'm confused. What? So confused. Can you please let me look at references? I would appreciate that. Nope, it's just not vibing. I think it works like this, but I have no clue. I mean, no, there's not. What the fuck do you mean? I don't see any errors. See? No errors at all. Fucking crazy, man. Are you schizophrenic? Seeing stuff that's not there? Alright, homie. Chill. Yeah. Okay, so that works. What? Oh, is that what? Oh, wait. Oh, was that error related to that? No, I don't think that error was related. At least I'm not getting it when I do it again. So I don't think those errors were related. Because I think that's just these two errors the entire time. But those are from the new input system. And I just haven't taken the time to look at that yet, because Well, that's not my job. I haven't done anything with the new input system yet. Okay. Wait, what? Oh, no, I mean, I was confused why the wait, why is this not working? Never mind, I know why that's not working. Yeah. Shut up. Re-import. Yeah. Oh, fuck. Oh, re-importing because I dragged the. Because it's seeing that. No. What's going on is that it. Because this is a plugin script. The script is from the plugin that I'm just changing. And it doesn't recognize that as being in the same project. Which is a problem I had a lot. And it's very annoying. It's also a fucking pain to solve without ruining your folder structure. Come on. It's still re-importing. Yeah, you done? You done, son? Are you in the same project now? Manager? No, okay, I know what I need to do then. Time to do another re-import. Let's go. Yeah, I love re-importing in Unity, dude. It's my favorite activity. Okay. Now the one I need is. Yeah. Yeah, more re-importing. Oh, you can't even see it on this window. I keep forgetting because technically it's a different window. Did I drink my tea already? Damn. Kinda sucks, homie. Get the mover. Hi, dude. See you, Mark. Yeah, target mover. I'm gonna drag right into there. Alright. Now. God damn, Unity, please! You don't need to fucking import with everything. There you, come on! I'ma smash Unity on the nose. I think this is fine. Okay, yeah. Okay, turn. Yeah, terminator dot instance dot in. Oh no, wait, it's combat manager. Okay, combat manager dot instance. Dot in combat. All right. If turn manager dot instance dot turn manager instance. Fuck. Current turn. No, wait. This should be a movement. If movement manager dot movement cost dot instant dot movement. No, not run in edit mode. Path cost. Yeah, current path cost is bigger than the turn manager dot instance dot current turn dot no, not total action points. I need current action points. Then I want you to return, because then you're not allowed to do this. You're not allowed to set a new path. Okay. Else. Movement manager dot instance dot path cost. No wait, no, that's not what I'm trying to do. Okay, no. Okay, so if that's so yeah, if that's not the case, then turn manager dot instance dot current turn, current action points minus equals movement manager dot instance dot current path cost. Okay, this should be good. We will see though, we will see. Which of these spots has a higher initiative? I don't remember. Okay. Is this the correct path? It is. Current action points is 5. So this shouldn't do anything. Good. Okay. This should take 0 off. Okay. This should take 2 off. Okay. Alright, we're getting there, homies. We are getting there. Okay. the one thing we still need to do is if turn manager dot instance dot current turn dot used free movement, this did not happen yet, then turn manager dot instance dot current turn dot used free movement, now it's true because after the first move free movement got used. So that works now as well. Okay. And I do want to make sure that nothing happens if the UI is... Oh, event system does not exist, excuse me. Good definition. Why do you not recognize event system? Do you need Unity UI? Oh, no, literally event systems, okay. All right, there you go, okay. So it should ignore the input while it's over a, it's over a UI element. So now, if I press start combat, okay. Okay, so first it's free, now it's not free anymore. Okay, that worked correctly. Okay, I can't move if it's more than I have movement for. Okay, good. Now the last fix I want to do real quick is in the player. What is an easy way to get the target? For now I do it with AI destination setter dot components, entity become my turn, get component AI destination setter dot target dot position equals and form dot position. Okay, cool. Okay. Now it's time to make a GIF for the homies. And I think, do I want to stream playing games. I'll see in a second. I'm gonna post this in the group chat real quick. Yeah, I would say that's a pretty successful 3 hours. Let me close everything down. Alright, I think I'm actually gonna stop streaming for today.